Hi everyone and welcome to today's morning report on Tuesday the 11th of October with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets. We've had a mildly positive start to the European trading session. That's coming on the back of a couple of factors really, oil and the dollar. The dollar has begun to improve once again as markets have taken on board the second presidential debate, which have been sort of generally seen to be positive for Hillary Clinton. Again, Trump's not been able to sort of claw back any of the lost ground, and also now signs are that the House Speaker Paul Ryan is sort of moving away from supporting Donald Trump. So that's helping market sentiment for the dollar certainly today. Let me show you how the dollar has started to perform. Regaining some of that lost ground that we saw on Friday following on from those payrolls disappointment. But also you're seeing Treasury yields pushing out strongly higher on the 2-year yesterday, and also the 10-year. So not only with that, we're seeing the 2-10 spread, which is strengthening again, which suggests a steepening yield curve. So generally speaking, that's positive. The other factor is the oil price. We're seeing oil price sharply higher yesterday on the back of suggestions from Russia that they were going to possibly cut oil production, and following on from the move that we saw on OPEC. That has certainly on the Brent crude price pushed it to a new 14-month high, breaking out above that June high. Not quite seen that on the WTI price yet, but certainly Brent crude has done that. And generally speaking, dollar up and oil up is sort of seen to be at the moment relatively market positive, because Hillary Clinton certainly performing well in the polls would be the market positive outcome there. Now, in terms of what else we're looking at today, sorry, let me just get back on this. Generally speaking, forex markets have been positive, and there's not a great deal of data out that we've got to look forward to today. We've got the German ZEW economic sentiment at 10 o'clock today, expected to be 4.3, which is actually mildly positive in terms of where it was last month, which was plus 0.5, and just seeming to gain a little bit more traction to the upside. Now we had the Centix Eurozone investor sentiment yesterday, which was better than expected, so maybe we're going to get a better than expected German ZEW today, so that'll be interesting to watch. But certainly German ZEW improving better in recent months, and if that continues, then maybe you'd see a bit of positivity for the Eurozone. But that is generally the only real market bit of data to watch out for today. Now I'll again be returning for my Trader of the Year instruments in a little bit, so I will leave it there and return to speak to you in a bit. So thank you very much, and I'll speak to you later.